Hello, all. Welcome back to this channel. In this series, we are going to prepare for the interview preparation related to DevOps development and management interviews, right? DevOps lead and management, right? In the last first video, we have discussed two important questions, right? Just go through that question, right? Answers. And now we are going ahead with the next question and answers for related to the management. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what is the question for you. Explain how your academic training has prepared for this role. For you, for this role. My academic background is anything, right? From this computer science, IT engineering, engineering field or something, right? BSA or something. Anything, right? Yeah. NCA or something. So laid the foundation for understanding software architecture, system design, and algorithm problem solving, all crucial in designing scalable DevOps systems. What I found most useful was the exposure to software lifecycle fundamentals. It made it easier to appreciate automation, testing, and the deployment pipelines as extensions of the good engineering design. Additionally, my postgraduate certification in cloud and DevOps, example AWS solution architecture or Azure DevOps, Docker, Kubernetes, anything, right, have kept me updated with evolving industry standards. Right, so my education taught me structured problems solving with while my professional journey taught me how to automate and scale it in real world environment. Okay, this is the last one is the important line. Okay, my education taught me structured problem solving, right, while my professional journey taught me how to automate and scale it, right, in the real world environment. Okay, yeah. So the next question, give us an example of a creative solution to a specific problem you have solved, right? Yeah. In my one of fintech project, you can go ahead with any project name, right? Fintech or insurance, or don't give the client name. Okay, yeah, the domain you can say. Okay, in one of my fintech project, our deployment cycle was heavily delayed because my of manual testing and environment configuration issues. Releases took almost 3 days and rollback was risky. I proposed and implemented a container based staging setup using Docker Compose that mirrored the production. Then I integrated automated smoke test into our CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins and Selenium. This change reduced the deployment time from 3 days to less than 4 hours and gave the QA team a predictable environment as well. The creative part was introducing ephemeral environments that spun up automatically for every pull request and allowing developers to validate features in isolation before merging. Getting my point? Yeah. So that small innovation not only improved release velocity but also boosted confidence in our DevOps process. Right? Yes. Got my points? Yeah. Let's go ahead and recap once. Okay, in my fintech project, our deployment cycle was heavily delayed. Okay, yeah, because deployment, okay, manual testing and environment configurations. So you have given them the example of your problem, right? Now you have give them the creative solution which you have given. So you propose like container based staging setup using Docker Compose and mirror production. Okay, then integrated automated smoke test in CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins and Selenium. Okay, got it. This is the solution you have given. Now you have to give how they will get the result, right? So this is the third paragraph which you are telling them that this result we have got it after this. So what result? They reduced deployment time from 3 days to less than 4 hours, and gave QA team as well to predictable that environment or something. The next question is, walk us through our work experience over the past these years. Okay, I have worked across diverse environments, from mid-sized IT firm to large consulting and fintech organization. I started as a system engineer managing on-premises deployments and release the coordination. Right, in you can say in hello. You must aware, right? In 15 years of experience, before 10 years or something, on premises deployment were there, right? Not a cloud, right? So you have to include these things as well in your answers. So I started as a system engineer managing on premises deployment, release coordinations. Over time, I transitioned to DevOps, leading automation projects, implementing Jenkins pipelines, and managing infrastructure through the Terraform. At this company name, you can say, I led a team of DevOps engineers to migrate applications to AWS, set up the Kubernetes cluster for microservices, and integrate monitoring using ELK stack and Prometheus, right? Most recently, I have been focused on DevOps culture building, improving developer experience, and optimizing the CI/CD pipeline issue efficiency, and ensuring the production reliability. Across the roles, I have played both hands-on practical technical things and strategic leadership responsibilities as well, ensuring the DevOps adds value to both technology and the businesses. Okay, walk us through your work experience. Okay, so you can take this answer in the first question as well. Tell me about yourself, right? You can replicate the same answers for this question that question as well. Okay, so you can go ahead and use the same exact and prepare yourself. Okay, so this is all about, we have discussed the three questions, and which are really most important questions which every interviewer going to ask you, and you are going to face these questions in every interview. Okay, so just prepare the answer from your end, and if you are having any concern, doubt, just put it in the comment box so that we can discuss more on this. Just like, share, subscribe my channel with your colleagues or friends who are really preparing for this role, and just let me know if you are having any help required. Thank you.